Starting sequence. Let's test controls. Three, two, one. Ignition sequence start. Dear people, dear astronomers, today we are on our trip to the Earth's satellite Moon, or in Latin, Luna. Welcome on the board of our information spaceship. Moon, or Luna, is a satellite of our planet Earth. It is a quarter its size. Moon started its existence 4.5 billion years ago, when with Earth collided a planet called Theia. So the Moon was formed from debris. 15% of Moon's surface are composed by former lava fields called in Latin mare, or the sea. This object is 380,000 kilometers far from the planet Earth's surface. And this object also creates the solar eclipses and tidal sea effects. Tower Earth. Now we are flying back home